Hey folks, James here with BaseZero Studios. Thanks for checking in. Today's BZ Bite is all about video marketing. Um, what is video marketing, you may ask? Well, quite simply, it is the practice of using videos to promote and market your product or service. Okay, so um, here's some facts for you. The average human attention span has devolved to that less than a goldfish. Goldfish right now clocks in at about 8 seconds, and research has shown, recent research, that humans are coming in with an attention span that's a lot shorter. So, with that a known fact, how do you continue to engage, captivate, and reach these people when the attention span is what it is? And the answer is video marketing. Um, Here's a couple more statistics for you. 74% of users, online users, would rather get their information on anything through video than any other method of media delivery. Out of those 74%, 80% are more apt to purchase a product or service from a company that uses video marketing as part of their ongoing marketing campaign. So, the real question, the real challenge comes in when it comes to the whole idea of implementation. Sure, video sells, but how do you use video to sell? All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to give you, real quick, like 5 ideas on how to implement video for your business. All right, idea number one, blog posts. If you have a blog on your website, make videos where you're talking about or going through the material that the blog post covers. Um, Again, with a little bit of video editing skill, you can incorporate graphics and music into it if you want to, but you don't have to. You can just keep it simple. Just do a video post of the article and the information that's in your blog. All right. Now, we're not saying replace your blog posts. All right, because there is a certain amount of SEO traction and people that have linked to your blog post. I mean, there's all kinds of reasons that you want to leave what's there. Um, so we're talking about adding to that. You can repost these videos in connection with the articles on your blog. You can post them up to social media. You can put them on YouTube, and then repurpose them from there. So basically, you're getting twice the mileage um, from these blog posts um, than you would get if you weren't doing video. All right. So, second idea for implementation would be put a video on your home or your landing page of your website. All right. So now this is probably a video that will take a little bit more time for you to create. It can be as simple as just using a camera or a phone and shooting a video and then putting that video up on your page. But keep in mind that this is going to be for some people their first contact with you or your business. So you want to make sure that it's that it says everything that you want it to say, and in a way, and presents you in a way that you want to be presented, that you want to be remembered. Because remember, again, first impressions are lasting impressions. So you want to make sure, again, that you put it out there in the way that you want it to be put out. Another thing to keep in mind too is make sure that your video is toward the top of the page, so it's one of the first things that people see when they come to your page. And I probably would hesitate to turn autoplay on, only because the first time they come to your site and they encounter your video, and if it's set to autoplay, it plays for them automatically, and it's a wonderful experience. The 10th time they visit your site and that video starts playing, it will probably go further down the road towards annoying the daylights out of them, and you don't want that. So I would default to setting it up to not autoplay, unless you have a web developer that knows how to make that video play just once for a person when they visit, and then the website remembers who they were through the use of cookies or something like that, to make sure that that video doesn't play for them every time they come back. All right. All right. Third implementation idea is use live video to interact with your audience. All right. So some of you are like, what's live video? All right. Um, if you're not aware of this, then you will be. If you're already aware of it, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, these are platforms now, and there's a lot more than that, but these are platforms now where you can hook your camera up, log into your account, um, the page that represents your business, and actually do a live stream video. Again, whether you're talking about the product or the service that you offer, or if you just make an appearance on a regular basis to answer people's questions and interact with your public, the fans on your page, this is an excellent way to do it. And there are some algorithms that would suggest that live video will actually get you more views and more exposure than a pre-recorded video. Now, the downside is it's live, so if you make a mistake or if you drop something or knock over a light or something like that, then it's going to be on your live video. You can delete it, but then that kind of defeats the purpose of having a live video in the first place. So even though live video is kind of perceived as an unscripted venture, wouldn't hurt to have some bullets written down on a small agenda written that you can have in front of you, so you can kind of stay on track if that's your intent to go live, but still keep it kind of shoot from the hip type of a video. So again, live video. That's our third idea. All right. Idea number 4 is shoot a teaser video. All right, so let me give you an example of what this is. Let's say that you have a restaurant, okay, and you're coming out with a new dish or a new appetizer, okay. Just do some quick shots of it. And again, most phones, even if you shoot it on a phone, has some built-in editing capabilities. TikTok is another excellent platform where you can do some splice edits on the fly, and just post up a teaser video of this new product that's coming, or something that that's about to be released. And another idea in connection with that is you could run a mini contest, and have a prize for people that guess what it is that you're releasing if they do guess. So again, a teaser video. I mean, it's kind of like movie trailers. You see movie trailers that are advertising the movies and kind of getting you all hyped up for the movie that's about to come out. Same concept. All right. Last idea is record your screen for tutorials. Okay, now this is something that we've recently started doing as well, but there is a lot of mileage in marketing terms and marketing dollars that you can get for giving away tutorial videos on how to use your software, or applications of your product, if it's especially if it's a software, or be it local or cloud-based, browser-based, where you can walk people through the steps on how to use this this product or this software to benefit them. So again, just to recap, repurpose blog posts into videos. Put a video on your home page or your landing page of your website. Use live video at every opportunity you can. Maybe set up a regular schedule. Twice a week you're going to be out there live, just available to answer questions and talk to people and interact with your public. Shoot a teaser video to spark interest in some new products or new things that are coming online, or even old stuff. Maybe you just never have done video, and it's kind of like, even though you've been selling the same thing for 5 years, you're going to shoot a teaser video and reintroduce it to the public. And then finally, screen recorded tutorials. Everything from, and again, it doesn't have to be on screen. You can do tutorials for how to clean a pair of glasses, or how to get the best setting on a camera to take a great picture, or anything. But if it is something that's related to things that you do on the computer, or on a device, there's a number of different applications that will allow you to bring those screens into the video and then demonstrate it right there for people to help them, be able to use your product or service much more fluidly, and thereby feel like there's more value in the product or service. All right, so this has been James with BaseZero Studios. Again, today's BZ Bite is all about video marketing. If you want more input or more ideas, feel free to reach out, get in touch with us, subscribe, follow, fan, like, share, whatever makes you happy. But we appreciate you coming back, and remember, the reason we're here is to provide you everyday marketing tips, because you need to be marketing every day. It's James with BaseZero. Have a great day.